Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming resolution and canvas size because print needs higher detail. Do this now. Open the original photo, then immediately duplicate the background layer so you have a non-destructive workflow. Once done, set color mode to CMYK for print or RGB for web, and enable rulers and guides to frame your composition precisely. Make quick, targeted crops to establish focal balance. This sets the visual hierarchy and saves time in later color and retouch adjustments. Now refine exposure and color so the poster reads at glance. Use levels or curves to correct midtones and protect highlight detail. This builds contrast without clipping. Then adjust selective color or HSL sliders to make dominant tones pop while preserving natural skin tones. Mask adjustments to restrict changes to specific areas. Once composition is solid, remove distractions with healing or clone tools and tidy edges with layer masks, so the poster stays sharp and clean when scaled up for print. Finish by sharpening and preparing files for output. Use a subtle high-pass sharpen at 1 to 2 pixels and set the layer to overlay. This enhances edge clarity without halos. Once satisfied, embed the correct color profile and export a TIFF or PDF for print or a high-quality JPEG/PNG for web. Make sure to check the image at 100% and create a printed proof if possible. If colors shift, recheck profiles and convert between RGB and CMYK again to troubleshoot color mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.